Where to find the best sites. Beaches and beach vacations. Hi. So you want to know more about how to get a beach wave with a perm? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to get a beach wave with a perm is www.modernsalon.com. See the page titled How to, the Beach Wave, Modern Salon. This is the link. You can also try www.marieclaire.com, especially the page How to Get Beachy Waves, How to Get Beach Hair, Marie Claire. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site www.youtube.com. The web page How to Create a Beach Wave Permanent Hairstyle, YouTube. This is the link.